The Blueair CP7i Air Purifier is engineered to efficiently purify large spaces, offering rapid air cleaning for up to 1,413 square feet in just 30 minutes. This air purifier combines traditional mechanical filtration with advanced electrostatic charging to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including viruses and bacteria. It operates with minimal noise and energy consumption thanks to its dual fan and dual filter design, making it a quiet yet powerful addition to any home. The Blueair CP7i features a unique HINS Pure technology that activates every 10 minutes with a safe blue light, ensuring continuous and effective sterilization. Constructed with premium steel, this air purifier is designed for durability and comes with a 5-year warranty, offering long-term reliability. For added convenience, the device can be controlled remotely via a dedicated app, allowing users to monitor air quality and manage filter replacements effortlessly.